So I'm running a digital marketing agency. I'm collecting my leads using Facebook lead ads. I want that whenever I receive a new lead, my team should be automatically notified on Google Chat Hangout. Now I'm not going to perform this manually, collect the leads and notify my team, and that's why I've created this simple integration between this Facebook lead ads and Google Chat Hangout using Pabbly Connect. We are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open this lead ads testing tool and I will submit some dummy details in this form. As soon as I do this, I should be notified on this particular space on Google Chat Hangout. So here I'm going to enter some dummy details. Here I'm generating the lead using Meta for developers. I'm going to enter my name as new user, my email address as new@pabblytudes.com, and then I will enter my phone number as this. After entering all these details, I'm going to click on this continue and then I'm going to click on this submit. Here, as soon as the form submission is done, I'm going to open my space and check whether I'm notified or not. And here it is. You can see that just now I'm notified on this particular space. So hello team, we have received a new lead. Here are the details. First name was new, last name was user, email address was new@pabblytudes.com, and this 8282 was the phone number. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how I have automated the process of capturing the Facebook leads and then adding that to my Google Chats. Now I'm going to create a simple integration between these two applications, Facebook lead ads and Google Chat, using Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now before we sign into our Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I've created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this classic and then I'm going to name this workflow as instant alerts, send Facebook leads to Google Chat in seconds, and now I'm going to select my folder. These are the folders which have been created, and here I'm going to select it as Facebook lead automation and then click on create. So here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me where I need to enter these applications. So trigger says when this happens, an action says do this. Trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Now here in this workflow, I want to send the Facebook leads to my Google Chat, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from my Facebook lead ads, it will be automatically notified to my team on Google Chat, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will take Facebook lead ads, and following this trigger application, I will take my action application as Google Chat. Here in my trigger application, let me quickly take Facebook lead ads, and in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant and then click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Now here I've already logged in my Facebook account, and that's why I'm going to continue with the same account. It is always advisable to keep your applications logged in for the easy authorization. And here you will see Facebook lead ads will be connected to Pabbly Connect. And now I need to enter the page name and the lead gen form. Now to get this page name, I'm going to open my Facebook account, and this is the page which I've created by the name Digital Dynamics, and I will be running all my advertisements using this Digital Dynamics. So I will select the page as that. Now as I select the page, I have to enter the lead gen form. Now to get this lead gen form, we are going to enter Meta for developers. You can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. After landing towards this website, you have to go towards the resources, and from here you have to click on the developer tools, and here I will be landed towards this page from where I have to click on this lead ads RTO debug tool. It will land me towards this lead ads testing tool, and from here I'm going to select my page and the form. So in this drop down, you can see that all the pages which I have in my Facebook account, I will select this Digital Dynamics page, and then you can see all the forms which I've created for this page. So I will be using this DD lead form. You can see all the fields which this form has: first name, last name, email and phone number. I will select this form. I'll go back towards my workflow and select the same form. Now if you want to capture the response from all of the lead gen forms, you can simply select all lead gen form. I simply want to capture the response from the lead form, so I have selected dairy lead form. Now after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on save and send test request, and you will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and under this it is written now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now this means, so as to get the webhook response over here in this workflow, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to generate a lead. From this lead ads testing tool, I will be generating this lead, and to do that I'm going to first delete the lead, and I have to make sure that I refresh this page once. Now if you will be running a live campaign, you need not do this again and again. I will do this. I will delete the lead, and then I will refresh this page once, and then after the page is refreshed, I will select the page as Digital Dynamics and the form as DD lead form, and then click on this preview form. This form has appeared in front of me where I'm going to enter some dummy details. So here I'm going to enter my first name as current, my last name as user. I'm going to enter my email address as current123@pabblytudes.com, and then I will enter my phone number. So here I will enter my phone number as this one. I'm going to click on this continue, and then I'm going to click on this submit. Here, as soon as I've done the form submission, I should capture the same response in my workflow. I'm going to open my workflow, and here let's wait for the webhook response. And here we have captured the response. The name is current user, email address is current123@pabblytudes.com, and this is the phone number. Now here, as soon as I have done the form submission or generated the lead, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect, that is successful. And now whenever there will be a new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new lead, I want to notify my team on this Google chat. So I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application I'll search for Google Chat Hangout. Now in my action event, I'm going to select it as create message and then click on connect. Now over here, I have to enter this chat webhook URL and the message. To get this chat webhook URL, it says enter your Google chat room webhook URL here. You will be able to register the webhook only if you have a Google Workspace account. Now to get this URL, I'm going to open my Google chat space. So this is the space which I have created by the name Facebook Leads. If I click on this arrow, I have this apps and integration. So I'm going to open this, and under the same option, I have this webhooks. Now I'm going to click on this add webhook, and I'm going to name this as Facebook. I need to enter this avatar URL, so I'm going to go back towards my workflow. I'm going to click on the hyperlink given over here, this learn more, and I will be landed towards the forum page of Pabbly. If I scroll down, I am provided the step-by-step guide. Now in this first step itself, in the point 6, it's written for avatar URL, enter this. So I'm going to copy this URL and I'm going to paste it over here, and then I'm going to save this, and you will see a webhook URL will be provided to me. So over here, I am going to copy this webhook. I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to paste it over here, and then I'm going to enter the message. So I'm going to enter the message, hello team, we have received a new lead. Here are the details. I'm going to enter the first name, last name, email and phone. Thanks, regards. So now I'm going to enter these details, but I'm not going to enter these details manually like this. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. I have received the response from this Facebook lead ads, and when I click on this field, I can see this Facebook lead ads. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. I'm going to enter the first name, then I'm going to enter the last name, then I'm going to enter the email address, and then I'm going to enter the phone number. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. After entering all these details, I'm going to click on save and send test request. Let's wait for the response, and we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. I'm going to open my space and check whether I have received any message there or not, and here it is. We have received the message. You can see that just now I have received the same message. Hello team, we have received a new lead. Here are the details. The details are same. Thanks, regards. Now to summarize, we took Facebook lead ads as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We received the new lead, and then we wanted to notify our team on Google Chat Hangout. So we took Google Chat Hangout as an action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, mapped the details which we have captured from Facebook lead ads, executed this workflow, and finally received this message. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between this Facebook lead ads and Google Chat Hangout using Pabbly Connect. I have attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out, and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. If you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.